Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can unblock users on Pinterest in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So guys, there are two ways how you can do it. Option number one, you simply navigate to the user profile of the user you would like to unblock, and if you have blocked him or her, you will see that button below the given profile, giving you the opportunity to unblock it. So that's option number one. Option number two, guys, would be to navigate to your community settings for your account. To do that, click into that gear icon at the bottom left and select settings. Here guys, what you want to do is navigate to social permissions, and here you will find also the blocked accounts list. Click into it and here you will see that list, so simply select unblock, confirm, and there you go, you have just unblocked that user. And that's how you do it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.